Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to upload Reels with a super wide screen resolution on Instagram. Let's get started. Once you finish editing your video at a normal resolution, like 1080p or 4K, go to the composition menu and open composition settings. Change the width to 5120 and the height to 1080. Leave the FPS and timecode as they are, then click OK. Now you can see we have a super wide screen with a tiny video. All we need to do is scale the video up to fill the screen. You can scale each clip one by one, or use a quicker trick with the transform effect. Go to Layer, choose New and select Adjustment Layer. Apply a transform effect to the adjustment layer. Under Transform, increase the scale until the video fills the screen. Then scroll through the timeline to check your video. All clips should now look fine. Make sure each clip is perfectly centered. For example, in this case, I want the headlights to be clearly visible, so I'll adjust the position until it looks right. Once everything is set and ready to render, press Ctrl+M to add the video to the render queue. Then click Queue in AME and wait for Media Encoder to launch. Make sure to change the format from H.264 to H.265. Now click on the preset to adjust the quality settings. First check Use Maximum Render Quality. Then scroll down and enable Render at Maximum Depth. Scroll down again until you see a tier and set the tier to High. Scroll down to Bitrate settings and then choose CBR and set the target bitrate to 25. Change the quality to highest, and we are done. Now click OK, and render the video. Finally, send it to your phone and upload it to Instagram. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.